Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to make a Mind movie in Canva. Want to create your own Mind movie in Canva? Let's get started. Head over to canva.com and in the template search bar, type in video, choose a template you like, click customize. Now feel free to shorten the video length, that's entirely up to you. Delete any unwanted text boxes, then add a heading, center it, and type something like my movie. For a clean classic look, change the font to Times New Roman, set the color to white, and add a black outline using the effects panel. Adjust the thickness as needed. Next, right-click on your slide and hit duplicate or press Ctrl D to add new scenes. In your second scene, type in what you want to manifest. Let's say Elizabeth Olsen. Upload images from your device or paste them directly using Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Add a smooth transition by clicking the small button between scenes. I recommend using Flow for a dynamic effect. Repeat for each scene. Finally, search for free music online, upload it, and add it to your timeline. Now hit play and enjoy your personalized Mind movie. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.